Hello everyone, in this quick tip I will be covering data access fundamentals. Let's go! The first step in any Spotfire analysis is to add the data. There are two major types of data sources: static files, CSVs, Excel files, text, etc., and governed data, databases, web services, and streaming. To import data, I'll go to the plus icon here, or also known as Files and Data Flyout, and select Browse Local File. I can select now various static files such as spreadsheets, text files, other DXPs, etc. Spotfire is quite intuitive. Once I choose a file, the Import Settings dialog box appears where I can make a few changes before I import my file. Firstly, if I'm importing a spreadsheet, I can browse and select a specific sheet. In the data preview, I can turn off columns for import, change column names, change data types, and select a different type for every row. Ignore, leave as data row, including the column name, or specify the data type with a type row. When I click OK, the data table gets imported and I can rename the data table, select how the data should be imported. Note that this option appears only if I have already imported another data source, or start performing data transformations. Instead of importing a local file, I can select Connect to, which provides me with a lot of different Spotfire native connectors. If I select Microsoft SQL Server, I can then click on New Connection, add my credentials, as well as the server location. Then I will be able to see all of the databases available in this server and import the data source that I need. And that was it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.